Hey, my lovely learners. Welcome to the Flutalk English. I'm Emily, and today we're talking about how to build English thinking skills without a teacher. Yep, it's possible, and you can start today. So let's start. Thinking in English isn't just about knowing words or grammar. It's about turning English into a habit, something your brain does naturally. And guess what? You don't need a classroom to do that. Start with this. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee. Small phrases like these. Train your brain to think in English. Look around you and describe things. My shoes are under the table. The window is open. The more you describe, the more your brain gets used to English. Here's an important tip. Stop translating in your head. See a cup. Just think cup, not the word in your native language. This helps your brain connect words to images. Fast. Try writing a short journal every day. Just a few lines about how you feel. Keep it simple. Like texting a friend. I'm tired today. I didn't sleep well. I want coffee. This helps you think more freely in English. Another method is shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat right after them. Match their voice, speed, and tone. It's like training your brain to sound and think like a native. Also, change your environment to English. Switch your phone to English. Follow English content. Let your brain get comfortable with the language. All of these tricks, done daily, can change the way you think. You don't need a teacher to think in English. You just need small habits, done again and again. That's it for today's episode. If this helped you, follow the Flutalk Podcast for more. Thanks for listening. I'm Emily. See you next time.